What's up, traders? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can get a 60, 70, even 80% win rate in this upcoming 2024 crypto bull run for trading any cryptocurrency. I'm talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, pretty much anything that you want to trade on TradingView. This strategy will work for that and will give you a 70 to 80% win rate. So without further ado, let's go into the strategy. Let's talk about exactly what you need to do, which indicators you need to use, and how this is all done. Okay, so for this strategy, you're going to need to have two indicators on your charts. They are called Elite Algo and Elite Oscillator. If you guys don't have those indicators on TradingView right now because they are private indicators, don't worry. I'll show you guys at the end of the video exactly how you guys can get access to them and use them yourself on TradingView. All right, so once you have the indicators activated on your charts, what you want to do is you want to head over into the settings page, and then you want to copy the same settings I'm using for this strategy. So if you guys don't know how to access the settings page, it's very simple. All you want to do is simply just go up here where it says Elite Algo, click the gear icon, and this is going to pop up. Or you can also just right click any of the signals, hit settings, and that's going to pop up as well. Now for the settings for the strategy, it's extremely simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to have it under signal preset, trend only mode. What this is going to do is that it's going to give you signals that are only with the current trend of the market. So if the market is bullish, then it's only going to give you buy signals. If the market is bearish, then it's only going to give you sell signals. And right now, since we are in a bull run for crypto in 2024, we want to make sure that we're only getting into the buy signals for the specific bull run, guys. So we want to do here, again, set to trend only, which makes perfect sense. Next, guys, pro scalper mode is going to be selected under signal logic. And we want to have the pro scalper sensitivity anywhere between 2 and 4. I like having it at 3, but that's preference up to you guys and what looks best on your charts for whenever you're trading. So there is no best sensitivity. Just pick one between 2, 3, and 4, and it's going to work great for you. Next, guys, under agility, you want to keep it on autopilot. And then you also want to make sure that down here, what you want to do is you want to have the dashboard turned on because that's going to give you a lot of information that's very useful in the market. And we're also going to turn on the order blocks right down here. And we want to make sure that this setting right here is set to at least 4. Now, what that's going to do is going to give you at least 4 order blocks on your charts at all times. Next, guys, we want to press OK. And that's pretty much it. Now we have the settings that we want for this indicator right over here. Now that we have the settings for Elite Algo, let's take a look at the oscillator. And for this, we're just going to leave it on default. Very simple, guys. Just leave it on default. You don't have to do anything for the oscillator. The oscillator is going to be used as a visual aid to help us understand when the market is trending or overbought or oversold. Very simple. So we're going to press OK. And now, very simple strategy, guys. What we want to do is we simply just want to wait for a buy signal to appear on our charts. And then we want to take that buy signal if it breaks a resistance. So for example, right here, guys, we see that we have a fresh buy signal on Bitcoin. And we see that we have a very strong order block right over here. We're giving us a resistance at this level. So we want to see, before we enter this trade, we want to make sure that the price closes above this order block before entering this trade. Very simple, guys. That way we can catch the momentum, and that way we can go to the moon with this 2024 bull run. So again, very simple. Just follow the buy signals that are given to you over here. And you want to make sure that we're not trading at an area of very strong resistance. Now, for the oscillator, for you guys who don't know how to use it, it's very simple. It gives us overbought and oversold levels right down here, but it also shows us if the chart is currently trending. So for example, right now we see that the price is overbought right over here because it is above the 70 line, as you can see, but it was also green and stayed green. So that means that it was trending until about this moment where the price fell back underneath the 70 line. So you can see that in this green area, the price was trending tremendously and we made a lot of profits in that area. That's pretty much exactly how you would use the oscillator. Very simple to use, guys. And also one more thing here. If you don't want to be looking at your charts all day and making sure that a buy signal appears and you don't want to miss that buy signal, you can also set alerts. Let me show you guys exactly how you can do that. So very simple way to set alerts for Elite Algo is this, guys. You want to go back into the settings for Elite Algo right over here. You want to go all the way down and you want to do the custom alert creator. Now, this is going to do is that it's going to give you signals that are only with what's happening on the chart. So for example, right now we want a signal condition to be any buy signal, which is very important. We can have a minimum rating if you like, but we don't have to have a minimum rating. We want the echo cloud turned on, so bullish. We want the rating assistance disabled, the trend sniper enabled, so bullish as well. And we want to make sure right now, guys, that we have take profit 2 selected or 1, whichever, and you want to make sure that the stop loss 1 is selected as well for this. Now what's going to happen is that it's going to give us a signal every time there is a buy signal and the echo cloud is bullish and the trend sniper is bullish. Next, press OK. Now, one last step to make the signals work is you want to right click on the chart here. You want to go to where it says add alerts. You want to make sure that you select Elite Algo. You want to make sure that you select custom alert trigger. And then you want to make sure you go once per bar closed. And then you can type up any message you like and hit create. And you can also choose where you want to be notified. But what's that going to do again, it's going to give you an alert every time there's a signal. So that way you don't miss an opportunity in the markets. So it's extremely simple. Now, as you can see, guys, using this strategy, we would have won this trade, this trade. This trade would have given us a little bit of drawdown, but would eventually hit take profit. And as we can see, guys, just look at this. Every single one of these signals would have hit our take profit eventually, as you can see. This strategy will give us a 80% win rate in this upcoming bull run for any crypto that you want to trade, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, Shiba, XRP, Solana, pretty much anything. So without further ado, thanks for watching this video, guys. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can get Elite Algo if you don't already have access to it yourself on TradingView. So Elite Algo is a private indicator, and it's an indicator that we created ourselves. And what you want to do to get access is very simple. You just want to head over to elitesignals.com and you want to sign up for our membership when you get access to it. So the monthly plan is $67, but right now we have a sale giving you guys 40% off any of these plans right over here to use this indicator. And this indicator is not the only thing that you get for the membership plan. You also get access to our Discord server, which I can show you guys right over here. Just give me 1 second. As you can see, this is our Discord server right over here, and we have over 54,000 members in here. And you can see right over here, people are posting profits every single day. This guy made $3,071. He made $7,300. As we can see, people are using this indicator. They're using it. They're happy with it. 66% on one trade right over here, guys. So if you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free as well to go ahead and check out. All you got to do here is go on our website and then click the join Discord button. It's going to bring you to our Discord. But if you want access to the Discord, to the VIP section, which is all of our signals from our pro analysts. So for example, right down here, we have our pro analysts for stocks, Forex, and crypto. So we have over 20 analysts in our server giving you guys signals, and they post signals every day, as you can see right over here, just like this one right here, where it told you guys to buy soon, and it hit all take profit levels for a 34% gain on this stock. So very simple. Again, this membership gets you access to the indicator and the Discord and other stuff as well. So without further ado, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll answer every single question that's posted right down there. Also, if this video hits 500 likes, I will give away $100 to anyone who comments down below. So that could be you. All you gotta do is subscribe and like this video. Other than that, have yourselves a good day.